In this video, we'll be on a job site in Lakewood explaining the ins and outs of a VRV Life system. Enjoy!
I'm going to talk to you about our project that we're doing over here in Lakewood. What we have is a kind of a standard Lakewood home, 2 bedrooms, 2 bath, front family room, back living room, dining room, kitchen. The homeowner in this case specifically wanted something that was high efficient as far as energy usage. He was really interested in mini split technology, but due to the spaciousness of the home, I didn't feel that mini splits was the right application, so I talked to him about a VRV option. VRV option allows us to put a concealed air handler in the attic space with ducting throughout the entire home. We are zoning this system to have 5 different zones to it. So every room will have its own temperature control that will be able to be set individually from the other rooms of the home. We're splitting this up into the family room, the dining room, the living room, the master suite, and then the guest bedroom and guest bath. Those are the 5 zones that we are creating here. Everything's going to be fully and 100% variable capacity, utilizing the inverter technology of the condensing unit. Let's go take a look at that. Daikin VRV side discharge slim condenser. This is a 3-ton system that we are putting in this house. This house is just about 1,500 square feet. This system should have more than enough capacity to handle the heat load that we're going to experience here in Southern California. What we're going to end up doing, which was pretty neat because this house is also on a raised foundation, is we're actually going to take our refrigerant lines underneath the house and utilize the existing flue vent from the floor furnace to run our refrigerant lines up into the attic space to the air handler. So we won't have any exposed refrigerant lines on the outside of the home. Everything will be underneath the house and then up through the walls. The air handler that we're going to pair this with is the FXMQ, which is right over here. So we're doing a 1-to-1 system, 3-ton VRV condensing unit paired with a 3-ton FXMQ air handler here. This air handler also gives us the adjustability to change static pressures and things like that. And we're pairing it with a 6-zone DZK zoning kit. We're going to end up pairing 2 of these zones together to serve the large back living room to make sure that we get enough airflow through that. Utilizing also 1 wired controller and 4 wireless controllers for every zone.
If you're interested or have questions about the VRV Life system, please contact Thomson Air Conditioning at 562-201-3014. Thanks for watching.